All right, in today's video, we are looking at the Pelican 1720 case with foam black. This case comes in three colors, the black one, the desert tan, and OD green. So let's take a look at some of the features on the outside. So this particular case comes with 4 latches. These are the double throw latches. These are the classic style latches for Pelican cases. Easy to open, easy to close, and very secure. You also have 4 holes up front that can be used to lock this case and secure it with a combination lock or something like that, as long as it can fit within these holes. Anything will work. We do sell one, which is the 1506 TSA, which I'll link it below, but you can pick one up at any hardware store as well. It has 3 handles, 2 on the side, 1 on the top here. They are all foldable. The smaller case than this has a fixed handle up top and 1 up here. So this one's nice because you have 3 points to carry it from. Now these don't have any like rubber molded grip on it, so they're not as comfortable as classic cases like the regular style cases, but again, they work just fine and they're very durable and will last a while. We also have the automatic pressure valve, so this is what keeps these cases equalized in pressure, so if you are going to high altitude, it will release the air but won't let any air or water in. And so that's just automatic, you don't have to do anything about it. There's also a nameplate right here that you can have customized. These cases will come with like a little sheet. You fill it out, you send it to Pelican, they'll laser engrave a name or whatever you want to put on it, and you can just slip it back in. So it's a nice little feature that you can add to these things for travel or whatever it is that you're wanting to do with it. On the back side, it does come with wheels, making it nice and easy to transport this and whatever else you have in it. And it's nice, heavy duty wheels. See the bottom here, and the back side. You can tell the hinges are heavy duty and very protected with extra of the plastic molding and everything like that. So again, these are military grade cases used all the time, thrown out helicopters and all sorts of stuff, so they can withstand the abuse. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and check out the inside. All right, so in this case, the lid actually folds all the way over. In the 1700 case, the one case smaller than this, it actually stops like that, like all their other cases do. So what's nice about this is when you do have gear and everything in here, it makes it, you know, if it's heavy, because this gets pretty heavy on this end, and so you don't get the tipping. In the lid, you have one piece of solid foam, and then on the bottom piece, you got 2 pieces of solid foam. So if you are familiar with the Pelican pick and pluck foam, it's kind of already pre-cut, so it makes it very easy for you to like trace out the gear, pick it out, cut it out. But that does not come in these cases, it's not an option. And so you get these it's a high density foam, which is nice because these are mostly used for weapons. These are still customizable, so what you do is keep, if this is going to be used for like an AR of some sort, you would just keep the bottom foam in place, and you take the top foam, put in your weapon, trace it out, cut it out with a nice sharp knife, and it works just fine. And what's nice about this foam is that if you are putting something in here that you're going to be taking in and out on a regular basis, it lasts a little bit longer because it's a higher density. Also, just like every Pelican case, there is the O-ring. This is what keeps these cases watertight and dust proof. So you always want to make sure that these things are in place and isn't corroded or anything like that. They are replaceable, so if something does happen to them, you just pull it out and buy one separately. All right, so the 1720 is 42 inches on the interior. So that is like end to end. So when you do try to figure out what would fit best, or if this case would work for your application, you just want to make sure that you are accounting for the foam padding around it. So if this case is 42 inches, you wouldn't want to put something that's exactly 42. You would want to cut it down to maybe 40, so you get about 1.5 inches or so of room, maybe even smaller than that, just depending on what it is that you're putting in here and how you want to protect it. So it's a great case. It's one of the most popular. It's midway between the 1700 and the 1750, and so it can be used for a lot of different applications. So that's it. That's the Pelican 1720 with foam black. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You could also just reach out to our customer service at pelicancasesforless.com. You can also check out more case videos on our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.